These burritos look tasty.
I think I'll cook one in the microwave.
Don't do that! It's dangerous!
Don't you know how dangerous it is to put things you shouldn't put in the microwave? But it looked like a burrito. You should read labels first.
There are many things you shouldn't be putting in the microwave, even though they may look delicious.
Jeepers, mister. I didn't know there was things that you could put in the microwave that would be dangerous.
There are a few things that you should especially never put in the microwave. Steel wool is one of them. Do you want to know what the other ones are?
Gosh, like what things?
Now today, we're going to show you what happens when you put them in the microwave. But just so you know, never try this at home. I'm an expert. Steel wool.
Light bulbs.
Circuit board from your personal computer.
Foods wrapped in tin foil.
Flaming toothpicks. And now for the last and most dangerous of them all. Eggs.